very into these birds. It's pretty cold out here. I can't see. They're over there. There you go. It's a funny bird. Seagulls make weird sounds. So is this Lake Michigan? Oh, my hands are getting pretty numb, you know?
My ears feel the same way.
Let's get an interview with the ears. There he is. Alright. Look at that sun. It's a nice day, but if
my nose is getting really runny now,
just
too.
a slightly bit warmer, you know? Maybe if it was 60, 60,
71 here.
73, the perfect temperature. What do you think?
I think the perfect temp is 105.
I don't know. You like that?
Look at them.
Oh, we're right next to him. Can we just go and touch him?
You can go pet a mallard if you want. I don't want.
Hello, ducky. Oh. They enjoyed that.
They're probably just like, what the fuck is that? Which one's the guy and which one's the girl?
The guy is the green head and the girl's the brown one. I know this, son.
What's the girl called?
Kurt Wong.